everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. It's one of the squash family. In Japanese, we call it Kabocha or Kabocha. And I will show you how to make a delicious sabzi out of this. Kabocha pumpkin, and it's very tasty and very delicious. It's hot and spicy. And I'm going to show you today how to make delicious kabocha squash sabji. And let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. It's called kabocha. This is a Japanese pumpkin. Let's open it. You go to store like a Safeway or other grocery store, you will see these are the big ones laying down there. So when you go to Costco, you will find these like this, 2 in a pack. And this is one of the squash variety, tends to sweeter, like a sweet potatoes. But I will show you how to make it delicious. In order to make it delicious, it's a good idea to do it hot and spicy. The ingredients I'm going to use: red onion, 1 inch ginger, 3 jumbo garlic cloves, 2 red chilies, tomato sauce, olive oil for tadka, and spices from masala dabba. So let's get started. The first step will be, we're going to peel it, we're going to cut it into small chunks. The first step is break open the stem, just like this. You can do a couple things. You can get a peeler, you peel it like this, just like this. Try to peel it. If you see the greenish part like this, if I peel it one time and you will see the green, that's no good. You need to peel it again, just like this. This one has a thick skin, so peel it maybe 2 times or 3 times, just like this. Then it's a perfect. Can't handle this way, then the second part is cut it in half, then peel it, whatever the easier for you. At this moment, I'm going to peel it. As you can see, we peeled it. Now we're going to wash it. We get the paper towel, and this one is washed. We're going to make sure that we dry it out, just like this. Get a big knife, and we're going to cut it right in the middle. As you see, this is how it looks from inside. Again, cut it into half, just like this. So we're going to scoop out the seeds. On the back side, which is on the stem side, this is left over a little bit. We're going to just cut it like this, and the same thing in the front. So now this is the last one, and same thing. Cut it in the front and the back, the stem side. And now, just make sure that it's nice and clean, just like this. You scrape it out. This is how it looks. Once you take out the seed, then we clean up like this. As you can see, it's nice and clean. Get a bowl, and we're going to cut these into smaller chunks. So now we're going to cut it. Cut it like a 1/2 inch, like this. So once we cut it like this, Now we're going to cut it into smaller pieces, just like this. As you can see, this is how it looks. This is what you need. The smaller, the better. Place it into the bowl. And now I'm going to keep continuing doing the same thing. I'll finish up the rest. So we all done. Kabocha squash or pumpkin is cut into small pieces. Onion, garlic, ginger finely chopped. 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. All the spices will be 1 teaspoon each. Salt, cumin, coriander, garam masala, red chili flakes, turmeric powder, black pepper, along with 2 whole chilies. It will taste better when you make it hot and spicy. You always can adjust. If you don't like chili, you can discard the chili. You can use a green chili only or black pepper only. So let's start making our delicious sabzi. Start burner. Get a fry pan. Add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, I'll add cumin seed. So mix it and give like a 10 seconds. This is good enough. And now we're going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it well. We're going to cook ginger garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. So like a 20 seconds. So keep it moving. This is looking good. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it well. For my tadka, I use olive oil. You can always use vegetable oil as a substitute. At the same time, I'll add 2 red chilies. So we're going to make sure that the onions are nicely translucent. Then we'll add the spices. Onions are nicely translucent. Now we're going to add all the spices. Salt, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, red chili flakes, and mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for half minute. Cooking spices for half minute. Now we're going to add tomato sauce. And mix it well. Cook tomato sauce for 1 minute. Cooking tomato sauce for 1 minute. Now in the same cup, we're going to add some water. Mix it well. And now we're going to add squash, kabocha or pumpkin. And we're going to mix it well. Keep it moving and make sure that all masala is nicely coated to the pumpkin, and bring your gas to medium. So once all the spices are nicely combined, spread it evenly on medium gas. Cover with the lid and cook it for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to open it. We're going to stir it once. It's exactly cooking for 5 minutes with the covered lid on medium gas. I'll open it. Mix it. After 5 minutes of cooking, if we check, it's still warm. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook additional 5 more minutes. It's exactly 10 minutes cooking on a medium gas. After 5 minutes we stir it, and now I'm going to open. 5 more minutes of cooking. Mix it. And if we check now, it's nicely done. So within 10 minutes, as you see, it's nicely done. And now the last ingredient, cilantro. You can use the fresh cilantro. This is the dry cilantro. After adding it, cover with the lid and bring it gas on a simmer and give it 1 minute. Another minute on a simmer. Our dish is all ready. Turn off the heat and I'll open it. Mix it one more time. And my serving platter ready. Look at this. Very delicious. Let me share with you. It's very tasty sabji. You've seen it. It's easy to make. And next time you go to supermarket store, please get one of those and try this recipe and you're going to like it. This is very delicious sabji. So if you like this sabji, kabocha recipe, pumpkin recipe, then please share my channel and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.